Welcome to 10 Point Learning. Today's topic is PPAP, Production Part Approval Process. It's a standard process established by AIAG for approving any engineering part for mass production. And Automotive Industry Action Group is initially developed the PPAP process for automotive application parts. Later it is being followed in all engineering components. In different countries, it is being called in different names. ISIR in German companies, ISAR in Korean companies. It is the process by which supplier demonstrate that the customer requirements are completely understood by the CFT of suppliers. It contains 18 documents starting from design records, process flow chart, process FMEA, control plan, and appearance approval report, customer specific requirement, PSW. It contains all 18 documents. PPAP is applicable on various conditions. It may be an initial submission or for engineering changes, or in case of new tooling or existing tooling replacement, refurbishment, or additional tooling, or if tooling is inactive more than a year, or in case of change in location or new location added. These are few reasons for which we go for PPAP approval. And PPAP is submitted on 5 different levels. Level 1 is PSW along with appearance approval report, and level 2 PSW and along with limited supporting data. That supporting data is purely decided by supplier in this level. Majorly proprietary supplier are following this level. Level 3 is PSW along with complete supporting data with product samples, and level 4 PSW and the requirements are purely defined by customers, and at level 5 PSW along with product samples and complete supporting data are being reviewed by customer at supplier manufacturing site. Control plan is the critical and very major document of PPAP. It covers all process product parameters, inspection methods and frequencies. It is the base for future production process. Dimensional and metallurgy reports are attached to the PPAP documents. It will be the reference for the customer for any future failure or any future clarity requirements. Initial process capability to be proven out for all critical major parameters, and PPK should be achieved more than 1.67 to go for a final approval. And appearance approval report is followed where aesthetic requirements are mandatory. For example, painted parts, we do it for a color shade, and cabin parts for texture, color, fabric patterns. These are the purpose appearance approval report is followed along with master samples. Bulk material checklist is applicable for non-dimensional parts used in the final product. For example, sealant, lubricant oil, grease. These are the parts being used in final assembly of customer. In this case, PSW is approved along with bulk material checklist, and PSW is signed off by customer quality engineer, and it will be the certificate for the supplier to start the production. In case of any non-conformance or deviation in the final product, customer quality engineer decides to go for an interim approval to meet the project timeline. So the interim approval is always defined with limited quantity or time limit. This interim approval duration along with short-term action finally authorized by customer quality engineer. Thanks for watching.